The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Broome County in central New York, southeastern Cortland County in central New York, eastern Tioga County in central New York, southeastern Tompkins County in central New York, southern Shenango County in central New York, Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, north central Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Bradford County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Richford to Meshoppin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Binghamton, Vestal, Johnson City, Endicott, Norwich, Kirkwood, Conklin, Maine, Rush, and Sydney. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, Pennsylvania. Here is the regional weather forecast.